Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Clearing Sweet Tea and Lemon Peel Off Clay Mask. The name of this mask is a mouthful already. But anyway, so this mask is for normal to combo skin. So if your skin is like super oily, I think that this is just normal to combo skin is almost any skin type. You can use it if your skin is on the oilier side, if it's on the drier side, if it's normal, if you've got spots that are oily, spots that are dry. So it's almost for all skin types. And I really like this mask. The color is really pretty. It's almost like the color of the packaging. It's maybe just a little bit lighter. It also smells. The smell is more lemony, but it's not like a pine saw cleaning product lemony. It's a really good fresh scent. This Freeman has a lot of different masks like this, and I would say that this is probably my favorites. There is one caveat to it, but I'll get to that in a moment. This is a single-use package, so you open it, you use all of the product that's in it, and that's it. On the back, you've got just some more details about it. This peel-off clay mask delivers the cleansing and oil-absorbing benefits you expect from clay, plus all the over-toning and refining perks of an easy-to-peel-off mask. Antioxidant-rich tea helps protect skin from damaging free radicals, and lemon helps lighten dark spots for a radiant complexion. Perfect for normal to combination skin. For this, you have to make sure to apply a very thin layer. I made that mistake the first time I used it. I didn't, some parts where I didn't put like a very even layer on it. Some of these things kind of like take practice. I think peel masks take a little bit of practice to use because you want to make sure that you get it even all over your face. That's the one thing I didn't do, is it wasn't perfectly even all over my face. And it also was too thick in spots. If it's too thick, it's not going to dry the way it should. And it's going to make it harder to peel. And that is the one caveat that I have with this product, is it's not like just I started peeling it from like my forehead and was able to peel it all off in one foul swoop. It was a little difficult. It's a little difficult to peel it off, and it hurts in certain parts. Especially if you get it too close to your hairline, then it's going to pull at your hair and that is going to hurt. However, it's not an unbearable pain. I've seen like videos of people who use like those black charcoal masks and they're like screaming in pain because it hurts when they peel it off. This is not quite that bad. However, it does hurt a little bit, so like just be aware of that. But I really like this. I think of all of the masks that I've used by Freeman, this one has left my skin feeling the softest, my skin tone looking the most even, and it just feeling the most clean. I am obsessed with this mask, and I really wish that they had it, that it came in like a jar or something more than a one-time use, or that you could even buy these one-time use packages in bulk, which I don't know, maybe you can. The store, I have to check like Amazon or something and maybe able to get it in bulk. I usually just buy them one at a time because like at the stores, that's all that's available, and that's kind of annoying, and that's why I don't use this as often as I would like to. It's just because I have to buy them one at a time. I can buy them in bulk, but it's separate. Each one is charged separately. It's not like I can get like a package of 10 for however much money. So that's like my biggest complaint with these, is that I love it so much, but I'd have to buy a ton of them separately, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, aside from the peeling, like back to like if you put on a layer that's way too thick, it's not gonna dry, or it's gonna take a very long time to dry, which is gonna make it harder to peel off. There were parts the first time I used it that I just had to wash off. I had to scrub my face and wash it off. Even doing that though, my skin was still extremely soft, which is like insane how like it was instant results. I really got instant results with this, which I think is not the case most of the time. Even with things that like claim to have instant results, you don't really get instant results. but I really did get instant results with this, which is amazing even after I used it the first time and kind of was just kind of experimenting with it. So yeah, so an even layer, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I usually leave it on for a full 15 minutes just so that I can get like as much absorption from the product into my skin as I possibly can. But it says 10 to 15 minutes or until it's dry. But like I said, if you put on too thick of a layer, it's going to take longer to dry and you're going to have it on for way more than 15 minutes, which also may not be super healthy for your skin. So yeah, just make sure you do a thin, even layer. Make sure your face and your hands are super dry. Careful not to get it like on your eyebrows or too close to your hairline or anything like that, because it's gonna hurt when you're going to pull it off. But yeah, I love this mask and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video.